My name is Kristen and my son is in the pre-primary program. What I like most about Inspire Kids Montessori is how friendly they are and just how welcome they make my son feel. He gets excited to come to school every day, and we just feel like we are a part of the family here. He is learning his letters. He knows all of his letter sounds and the names. He is learning how to count. He can count to 25, and he can also count to 10 in Spanish. I feel like Riker is safe here. He always has fun. He always is excited to come. And even with COVID and things like that, just the precautions that they've taken, we know that he's in good hands when he's at school. I would definitely recommend Inspire Kids Montessori. There's a lot that he's learning. He's growing a ton. He's socializing, and there's just so much that we're thankful for when it comes to this school.